Hi, I'm Nikhil and welcome to new video from technery.com. And today we have an interesting tech news for you. The brand Sound One, known for their portable audio devices and professional audio devices, has launched a new device into the Indian market. This is the Sound One V11 wireless Bluetooth headphones. Let us have a look at the features of this device. This device is a successor to the Sound One's V10 headphones. This device offers better connectivity, longer battery life, and better comfort than its predecessor. This device is having a over the ear design and are foldable too. These are ultra soft cushions for the headband and the ear cups. There is passive noise cancellation and will provide user a 20-hour mega battery life. It is supporting the Bluetooth 5 and are water and sweat resistant. So it is ideal for all people, whether for daily use, traveling, working, or even doing exercises in the gym. It is having lightweight design and has 240 drivers for deeper bass and superior clarity as per the company. The device is able to provide passive noise cancellation as well. There is a built-in microphone for enjoying calls using this device. In a single charge, it is able to provide you 20 hours of music playback, which is just amazing. There is a micro USB port for charging these headphones. There is also a 3.5 jack and aux input to connect the headphones directly to an audio source, which is ideal for gaming or when the battery is low. It comes with a 1 year of warranty and the price is INR 999. So it is just under 1000 rupees, and these wireless Bluetooth headphones has a mega 20 hours of battery life. So if you want to grab these headphones, if you want to purchase them, kindly check out the link in the description below. Also keep visiting our website, which is technery.com, and for latest updates do follow us on Instagram, which is technery.com. Kindly like this video and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. Keep watching our videos. Thanks for watching. Have a great day ahead.